How to remove restriction on Robinhood. In this video, I will walk you through how to remove restrictions on your Robinhood account, whether it's a trading restriction or account hold. I'll explain what to do step by step. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. And make sure to log in to your account. First, figure out why your account is restricted. Some common reasons include pattern day trading, insufficient funds, fraud alert, or margin call or failed bank transfer. After that, click on this bell icon or check the account message to see exactly what's causing this restriction. You can find this icon on the top right corner on your home page. After that, take action based on restriction type. For PTT restriction, wait 90 days or apply for margin account with 25k plus balance. And for insufficient funds, clear any negative balance and wait for it to settle. For IT verification or fraud alerts, submit the required document Robinhood asks for. Now the last step is to contact support if needed. If you are not sure what's wrong or you have fixed the issue but the restriction is still there, contact Robinhood support. Click on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and here you'll see this 3 line on the top left corner. Now click on this Robinhood support option. After that, click on help center and you can explain your issue here. So this is how you can remove restriction from your Robinhood account. I hope this video helped. If it did, hit like, subscribe for more helpful videos, and let me know in the comments if you are still stuck. Thank you.